Welcome back everyone. Quickly, let's continue our discussion on CSS outline offset. And right now we'll be discussing about how to use the CSS outline offset property. Back to our document, this is what we have in our previous tutorial where we discussed about the CSS outline shorthand property. And also we are having this our outline shorthand property. We specify solid red 5 pixel right here. Right here also we specify our CSS outline property blue, violet, rich and 50 pixel. And also in the h1 tag we specify outline rich, medium, green. But right here we don't have anything like offset there. So I'm going to show you how can you understand how offset works. This is how you are going to understand the offset. If you notice very well, we are having this red border immediately after our blue border right here. These red lines you are seeing right here is our outline. So I'm going to increase it a little so you guys can see the outline very well. Let me increase it to like let me increase it to 20. Let me give it 20 pixel so you guys can see it. Can you see it's now 20 pixel, right? So let me bring it down a little bit, maybe like 17 or 16. 16 is okay for now, so that you guys can see what I'm trying to perform. Can you see? I'm going to change the color to, let me change the color to gold. Let me change it to gold, the color to gold, so you guys can see. I want to give it different, so everything should have different. So when I give it gold rod, I'm giving it gold rod. Yes, this thing that's having gold rod right here, you are going to see how I'm going to treat it, so you can be able to use it also in your document. So I want to create a space, a gap between this blue border and this our golden outline. So that's the thing, the main thing I'm going to use the offset for. So quickly back to our document right here, I'm going to specify outline offset. When I specify outline offset, I'm just going to give it 12 pixel. You're going to see what will happen when I give it 12 pixel right here. You're going to see a space between our golden and the blue something right here. Can you see? It creates 12 pixel space. When I increase it, let's say I give it 18 pixel. When I give it 18 pixel, you are going to see what will happen. Can you see? It creates more space inside in between the blue and the golden rod. So let me increase it to 24 pixel. The offset I'm controlling right now, can you see? It's increasing. Even I can increase it beyond distance. I can give it, let's say I give it 38 pixel. Let's reload our document. Can you see? So you can just to this offset is the one that is controlling the space, the gap in between our outline and the border. So let me decrease this to something like 7 pixels so you guys can see how it looks also. Can you see? This is the 7 pixel space I'm creating, right? So I think I have to stop here right now. I have other ways we can use this also. I'm going to be showing you in our future tutorial. Anwar akorede ayofe is my name once again. I wish to see you guys next time to the next tutorial. Peace.